Morning, family. Ham's Loft. It's 7:03. It's east. I'm at the 3 mile marker. We had 3 days of rain. The birds only got a chance to loft fly one day. They stayed locked up all the other days. It's a beautiful day. So like I said, 64 degrees, a light wind. Just got finished raining this morning. The rain clouds are back that way, but we're going that way. So I'm gonna take advantage of a little sunlight. They've been in the box for about 5 minutes or so. I think some of them might be a little wet from, I guess, being out there trying to take a bath in the rain, but we'll see what happens. All right, let's get the birds in the sky. You see a little park right here where I took them before. All the geese out here this morning, but they ain't got nothing to do with me. Home is that way. They're right above the trees. Like I said, home is that way, so hopefully they don't come back out. That lets me know they are gone the right way. They did make one big circle, you can see, but they're gone. As you were, they're right there, which I don't think y'all can see because the sun is directly in my face, but they did make the turn back that way, so I will say that I think they're gone. All right, family, the posse is here. They was here before I got here. You can see most of them are on the roof. There's a few there. That's the goal. Whenever they come in, go there, straight in. Well, guess we don't need to. You see how windy it is. I didn't think it was that strong, but it probably was a good fly for them. We're not gonna worry about chasing them in. We're just gonna hit the thing and let them in. So, shout out to all the subscribers. Comment, subscribe. Shouts out to B-Rod and Timberman 266. Love your video. May your mother rest in peace. Peace.